Please like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons like this one. The Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer is priced at $169, while the Air Fryer is priced at $99. With a price difference of $70, the Air Fryer is the more affordable option. According to tests, both products claim to reduce fat in your fried foods. The Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer claims to offer up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, while the Air Fryer advertises up to 85% less oil usage. Both options provide healthier alternatives to deep frying. The Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer features Max Crisp technology, delivering 450 degrees of superheated air to cook foods up to 30% faster than previous models. The Air Fryer, on the other hand, uses 360 degrees rapid air circulation technology and 450 degrees F temperatures to cook food efficiently. Both options provide hot and crispy results with little to no oil. The Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer comes with a 5.5-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate, which can easily fit 3 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. The Air Fryer, on the other hand, has a more compact design with a 4 quarts capacity, suitable for serving 2 to 4 people. The Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer offers 7 versatile cooking programs, including Max Crisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, Air Broil, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate. The Air Fryer, however, takes it a step further with 9 preset modes, which include fries, chicken, steak, dessert, seafood, bacon, veggies, dehydrate, and preheat. Both options provide a variety of cooking options to suit your needs. The Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer comes with a ceramic basket that is both non-stick and dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean. The Air Fryer features a removable non-stick basket that is also dishwasher safe. Both options prioritize easy cleaning and maintenance. Thank you for watching our comparison of the Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer and the Air Fryer. Based on their features and prices, it's clear that both options offer great alternatives to traditional frying methods. Remember to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons.